you the man who operates the busiest airport in India, the man who's ensured that hardcore Dilliwalas like me struggle to remember the name of the old terminal. Well, T3 has been the terminator of all old terminals, so let's get you the Arnold Schwarzenegger of airports on building and running a world-class airport from scratch, Mr. G.M. Rao.
I request our Delhi Airport CEO, Ms. Prabhakar, also joins with me. Good evening to friends, particularly Arun Puri and Dr. Ramcharan, my Guru Ramcharan, and other colleagues and delegates and friends. Come here, this year. We say thank you very much for giving the opportunity to how you run the airport and build the airport from scratch. It's very difficult to tell you 10 minutes to such a complex project, but I will try to do this. Before that, I built this group 38 years back from the scratch. And all the businesses, whatever we start, is a what you call blue ocean. Is everything new to us, new to the country. Before the economic reforms, I started 28 different businesses, including Vaishya Bank, which is merging with Kotak Mahindra. But after the economic reforms, we went to strategic mode, we went to infrastructure. And whatever the businesses we disinvested and focused on the infrastructure, we built 2 power plants in Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. One is a floating power plant. That is the world's largest power plant. And looking for opportunity in Andhra Pradesh, the then chairman, the CM, Chandrababu called for to build a greenfield airport. And only 3 people bidded, that is 99. Then actually that time I don't know much about the airports. I joined with Malaysian Airports, I bidded, I won the airport. But still he has got apprehension that whether he knows me from the village. I used to be up to 95, I used to be in my village, that is nearest to Visakhapatnam. And he thought that how can a village boy build this greenfield airport? His ambition is different. Then after coming to that, then I requested the CM, please see 2 power plants are built. And after that you decide. Then he sent that team, he convinced. Then after that he took a challenge, it has made me a challenge for me. Then we went to all the airports in the world. Best people we taken. We went to learning of that best people of in the field, Cransfield University, who has built the airports. We went to ISB. 3 days we known about the aviation sector and the airport sector. That time I understand very complex this one. Really that time I bidded for with a gut feeling. If I would have known such a complex business, I would have not bidded this. But that took me a challenge. Then that is a Hyderabad airport, greenfield airport. Continuously we are getting a first or second best airport in the world. And while doing that, the brownfield airport, Delhi, Bombay has come. That is actually initiated in the NDA government. And that time Mr. Rudy is the civil aviation minister, he went to roadshow. And after that they went to early election, it went to UPA government. And both the airports, I thought that is a great opportunity, lifetime opportunity. And also I want to bid for these airports. I've taken 16 international consultants. Those days, investing money, for me is very huge money, 34 crores invested. Both the airports we bidded, we are the only qualified on the Delhi and Bombay. All the big boys, we at that time in 2004-5, we are very small. Nobody knows our GMR name. And all the big boys is there. And with all this we won. And the government of India asked us which airport we want. Delhi is a great opportunity. There is a lot of 5,000 acres, 100 million passengers. I thought there's a life this would choose in Delhi. And running a brownfield airport is a different challenge. With giving a minimum inconvenience to the passengers and the 3,000 airport authority employees with a different mindset, giving a minimum inconvenience to the passengers, and within 100 days running our terminal buildings modernized, and runways, present runways we have to modernize, and also new terminal building we have to build, That is already 40% is land is occupied. New runway have to build. Particularly a South Indian, Delhi is a foreign country. It's very difficult for me. And also I have to coordinate 58 departments. And 3,000 employees are given an offer to join immediately. Nobody is joined. They thought that middle of that I will drop out this project. Parallelly, I recruit 600 people. And if you know that the condition of the airport is the 10th worst airport in the world. Even a toilet also not there. Even if you go, one toilets also not operating. So many strikes this. In that condition, we have taken this airport and coordinating 58 departments. And Delhi is a central government, state government, lieutenant governor. For us, it's a big confuse. But police is there to where to go. Minister of Home or Delhi government or lieutenant governor. Big confuse this. And really it's the biggest problem. Whole family, whole GMR employees, 40,000 workers, 16 countries people. As made it this happen. Only with one goal we have this. We want to show to the world Indians also can build. And also every Indian has to feel pride of this. And it's a national asset. It is a lifetime opportunity for me to show the world India can build. We can make money, but it's different. People remember about India. It is a gateway to the country, front face of the country. With that spirit, we did it.